how to enable and how to use the autosave function of Davinci Resolve 17. So let's open a new project. The function itself is enabled from the menu, Davinci Resolve, Preferences, User, Project Save and Load, and check this one, Project Backups, and perform backups every, let's say, 1 minute. Okay, and close it with the save button. So after a minute it will create a backup. Okay, so let's drag and drop some videos onto the timeline. Yes, change the frame rate, whatever. Go to the edit and it's there. Okay, so first of all, let's go to file and save project. Ctrl S is the hotkey. We must save it. Let's give a name, let's say 1, and save. We must save the project, otherwise you cannot use it. And to preview it, the backups, let's open a File Explorer window, go to the Videos folder. These are the cache files folders created by the program for the audio and video, and in this folder we should have a third folder, which is the autosave. Let's just move it there somehow and show both of them. So the program and that folder. Okay, meanwhile let's wait until the autosave appears, and voila, it's there. So Resolve Project Backups, that's the name of the folder. It has a long code name and it's a project DB file. Now let's see how to use this file, how to load that one into a program. So after your project was saved using the save project, Ctrl S, then go either to this house sign and it's showing your project, which is called 1, or the same thing can be accessed from File, Project Manager also. Shift 1 is the hotkey, so it's the same thing as the house which is there. Okay, so Project Manager, and you have to right click on your project and Project Backups. Project Backups, and this one is that file which is in your videos folder. Okay, and to use this one you have to click on it and load. After that it will add it there. So load, add the name, it automatically added that copy thing. Okay, and it's there. So you can use your original project, which looks like this, or house icon and double click your copy, which is your backup, and use that one. And that's it. So meanwhile it should appear maybe another file there. So that's how to access your backups, from right clicking your project and project backups and clicking on your file and load. And that's about it. Another method is to use this export project. That's a safe method because it will create a DRP file and it's not using the database, because this is using the database and the files are not that easy to recover from that one. So either use this one or that export project.